Global Book Club Alliance North America Chapter. Xuemo's Works International Reading Month. The launch ceremony and group reading event were successfully held at the Midwest Asian Health Association in Chicago, USA. Under the theme, Finding Your Peace Amidst the Noise, the event brought together readers and culture lovers of various ethnicities and jobs from Chicago and nearby regions for a cross-cultural, cross-linguistic reading journey.
我们很难有机会、有时